Are y'all ready to level up on this mini loft that sleeps 5? You heard me. I cannot wait to show you around. Let's go. I mean, look at the Timberwolf 16ML. Does this not feel incredibly spacious? And we're standing in what, 8 feet? It's high profile mini loft. You've got this 50-inch television. I mean, look how big the scale of this TV is. It's crazy. You've got this great fold down bar stool area with its stools included, which we love. A 58-inch sleeper sofa, how beautiful. And these great huge windows, the high profile of them, make it feel even wider in here. And a recliner. Are you kidding me? So you've got all this seating, this great TV. But wait till we talk kitchen, because how did they get everything in here? I don't get it. Let's take a look. Honey, this kitchen may be tiny, but she's mighty. I mean, let's first talk design. Love the light countertops, this gorgeous pressed countertop with the light white oak, these great matte finish poles, and the uppers with this great, isn't that awesome, cool finish? Huge trend in 2024. We also have window backsplash. Y'all know I keep saying it, but I absolutely love it. Carbon apron farmhouse sink, absolutely gorgeous. That high-rise faucet, beautiful finish. Of course, all your electrical, you've got your USB or USB-C, another huge feature. And this is amazing that you get a range. So you've got an oven and a 3-burner cooktop with hood, with microwave. And then you were like, Trish, okay, that's enough. It's a mini loft. This already feels glamorous. Huh, let's go this way. Why not? What's this? Are we in the lap of luxury? It's an ice maker. It's a dishwasher. It is a washer and dryer and a full-size residential fridge. I feel like I just won double showcases on a game show. What? I mean, look, y'all, look, I'm just going to really, a dishwasher. You get a dishwasher. You have an ice maker. And this is an all-in-one washer-dryer combo. So whether you're out at the lake, maybe you've parked this on some gorgeous property, maybe you got this parked at the beach, or maybe you're just towing it around these great United States. Whatever you do, honey, you've got so much. This is every creature comfort you dream of. A full-size fridge. Are you kidding? Freezer. Are you kidding? And I know you're thinking, Trish, where's the bathroom? Pocket door. Come on in, honey. It just keeps getting better. Well, I mean, step right in. Look at this bathroom. Okay, the size of this bathroom on a mini loft, shocking. Because not only is this a great shower with bench seating, with a handheld, which we love, right? Tub basin, love. The amount of storage in here. You've got the toilet. You've got storage behind the toilet. Then you have storage above the storage. And then an entire built-in cabinet, sheets, towels, all your toiletries, and then a medicine cabinet with what? More storage. A beautiful vanity with what? More storage. The black matte finishes, the power ports. I mean, it goes on and on and on. And now you're thinking, Trish, this would be enough. But wait, not only do we have a sleeper sofa in this RV, but it also sleeps 5. So that means we have 2 bedrooms to go see. Did you hear me? 2 more places to go. Let's go. So here we are in the queen size loft. I love this mini loft. What a great profile. As my papa would say, this is hoop-de-doo, which is country for real fancy. I mean, look, you've got a fireplace. You've got these windows flanking either side. So airy. Look at that great storage. I love the low profile of these black matte handles too on this soft washed oak. And then you've got what? Look at how much storage. You get it flanked on either side. These great cubbies down below, maybe for shoes. You could put your books in here. I love everything about it. You've got USB-C and USB plug ports and power outlets on either side, which I absolutely love. And at this point, what is also phenomenal is that the railings go all the way to the ceiling. So if you've got littles and they're up here, there's no worries about anybody rolling out, which I love that safety feature on this mini loft. And it doesn't stop here. If you look right across, you've got an entire other sleeping area all the way across, complete with charge ports and power over there as well. You've got sleeping for 5 people. Y'all, a sleeper sofa, a queen bed, and you could do a single on the other side. If anybody would have told me there would be a mini loft that slept 5 people, I'd say the lies you tell. That is not possible. Well, guess what? It is true. And this place is amazing. And if you think we've seen it all, no, I saved the best for last. Oh yeah, I did. Come on, we're going to go take a look. Yep, I didn't lie. I saved the best for last. Yes, this is a full wall of sliding glass doors. Yes, I am standing on a full deck. This could be your front porch. Why? Because it's the only entrance to your house. Are you kidding me? An RV with a porch. What? What is going on? Could you imagine 2 chairs right here, sitting having coffee, watching the sunrise over the mountains? Or you're sitting out here doing surf check in the morning, or having cocktails at night, watching the sun set over the ocean. I mean, y'all, the world is your oyster. I have never seen in all my days an RV with a patio. Or if you're from my neck of the woods, a porch. Or maybe you're Hawaiian and you call it a lanai. I don't care what you call it. I just hope you get one. Look at this. The Timberwolf 16ML is the mini loft of dreams. I didn't even know something this fun could exist that sleeps up to 5. What? With every bell and whistle in that kitchen. So what are y'all waiting for? I mean, when you get outside, you've not only got the deck, but you've got a latch leash for your little sweet pups. You've got an outdoor shower. What? You've got rear backup camera prep. Y'all, it just gets better and better. And now, what you gonna do? Yeah, you know. You're gonna go to your local Camping World. You're gonna say, Trish sent you. You're gonna say, I need to see immediately the Timberwolf 16ML. And I can't wait to hear what y'all think. So we'll see you soon. Get down to your Camping World and tell them I sent you.